Welcome to Aruba, one of the most beautiful and relaxing beach destinations in the world. In this video, we're giving you the ultimate guide to Aruba's beaches, when to go, how much it costs, and the best spots to relax or explore. Ready? Let's dive in. Aruba is known for its year-round warm weather, making it a great beach destination any time of the year. However, the best time to visit is during the months of April to August. Why? It's technically Aruba's off-season, so you'll enjoy fewer crowds and lower hotel rates, plus the island lies outside the hurricane belt, so no worries about storms. The high season runs from December to March when the weather is perfect but hotel prices soar. So, plan your trip accordingly based on your budget and crowd preference. Now, let's talk about the cost of traveling to Aruba. Flights from the US or Europe generally range between $300 to $700 round trip, depending on where you're flying from and when you book. If you plan early, you can grab some great deals. Once you arrive, hotel prices vary greatly. A mid-range resort will cost around $150 to $300 per night, while luxury beachfront resorts can go up to $500 or more. For a budget traveler, Airbnb options and guest houses start at about $100 per night. Dining out can range from $15 for a casual meal to $100 for a romantic dinner on the beach. All in all, a week-long trip for two people could range anywhere from $2,500 to $5,000, including flights, accommodation, food, and activities. Now for the best part, Aruba's breathtaking beaches and vacation spots. First up, Eagle Beach. Known as one of the top beaches in the world, it's famous for its soft white sand and clear waters, perfect for sunbathing and swimming. Next is Palm Beach, the heart of Aruba's luxury resorts and nightlife. This beach is perfect for couples or families looking for fun in the sun during the day and entertainment at night. If you're looking for something quieter, head to Baby Beach in the southern part of the island. It's shallow and calm, making it ideal for snorkeling or just relaxing with a cocktail in hand. Arashi Beach, located near the California Lighthouse, is another hidden gem with great snorkeling opportunities. No matter which beach you choose, Aruba's crystal clear waters and soft sands won't disappoint. Chess are the main draw. Aruba has so much more to offer. Rent an ATV and explore the rugged desert landscapes of Arikok National Park, or set sail on a sunset cruise. Snorkeling at the Antilla Shipwreck is a must for adventure seekers. And don't forget to explore Oranjestad, Aruba's colorful capital, full of shopping, dining, and local culture. From adventure to relaxation, Aruba has something for every type of traveler. Aruba truly is the perfect paradise for beach lovers. Whether you're after adventure, luxury, or simply a relaxing getaway, Aruba's got it all. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your dream vacation to Aruba today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and guides. Have any questions or favorite Aruba spots? Share them in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.